Hi and welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I want to show you how to print and assemble our patterns with the new updated layout. So to start, open the pattern file. I'm using Adobe Acrobat DC to do this. Click print and in the printing window I'll use a printer that I want to use. Then in the page sizing and handling section, you want to change your settings to custom scale and make that 100% so we're printing in actual size. And now when you look at the preview, I'm missing the bottom line, so I'll also select this option here, choose paper source by PDF page size, and as you can see that fixed it now and I can see all the outlines in the preview window. So then I'll just hit print. So this new update to our patterns moving forward means that you'll no longer need to have a borderless option on your printer, which I know a lot of you guys can be asking about. So now, as you can see, we have all outlines printed nicely. At the top of each page is a ruler with centimeters on one side and inches on the other. So just take a ruler and measure if the scale is correct. Then to assemble the pattern, you'll need the printout pages, some tape, and scissors. So starting from the row A, I'll trim the left side of the A2 page, and then place it over the first page. For less cutting, you basically want to lay a bigger number on top of the smaller one. Make sure that the triangles match nicely and create a diamond shape, and then tape those pages together. If it's your first time using our patterns, I would highly recommend you printing one page first, just to see if you have all the settings right, and not waste any ink or paper. Moving on to the row B, I'll trim only the top of the page B1 and place it over the previous pages. Then trim left and top side of each next page. Now when your patterns tape together, you can cut out pattern pieces. Each size is marked with a different stroke, and that chart is based on UK sizing. And below, you will find an international conversion chart if you need to find your size. So my size is a UK 8, and I'll cut the pattern following this line. And that's how you print and assemble our new layout patterns. Thanks for watching.